some
Oil?
synthetic blend, something.
The bar and chain oil?
I don't know. I can't read it. Oh, gosh.
2-stroke oil.
Oh, that's the mixed with gas. That's the mixed with
Oh
gas.
yeah, it says mixed with a gallon of gas. We got the mixture, or we got the stuff already pre-mixed.
I think you gotta take that off. Is that a screw?
That's a star bit.
I don't think it's just a regular straight screw bit.
It's got a star bit.
There should be one in that impact. Right there, there's an impact. With a star bit. Isn't that the guard you're supposed to save or something?
No.
This thing didn't come with a guard?
Guess not. I guess we could keep this, but
Alright, what is this? This is fuel. What is that?
it's bar and chain oil, I guess.
Yeah.
Bar and chain oil.
Yeah, so that's that.
Go all the way up, I guess. Nope. Just a little bit.
I guess both of these are the same. So, I don't know what it is. How big is it? Some of those screws have to go. I don't know how much fucking getting this straight.
Yep.
Let's pull that on my deck now. You're ruining the deck. You put the oil on there. Shit. You think I'll use a funnel? Could put that on there. Guess you need this for. pull the start switch A out and set it to choke. You got a thing that says choke?
Yes. I guess this.
Yeah, I'm reading you how to do it. It says move the front handguard forward to engage the chain brake. Just the front thing forward.
Okay.
Okay. Then it says pull the start stop switch A.
That's step one. That's up. It's up. Then you prime it 6 times.
Press the F or 6 times so it feels the bubble. You're feeling the bubble. What's the brake? After you get it started, you got to turn this to take the choke off.